Comfort food season comes fast in the Northeast, and when the cold hits, people naturally crave something warm and grounding. The problem is that so many classic comfort recipes are packed with hidden allergens, from dairy and mashed potatoes and creamy soups to gluten in casseroles, pot pies, and breads. In my work with families managing food allergies, I focus on rebuilding these dishes safely without losing the familiar flavors people love. With a few pantry staples and smart swaps like dairy free milks, gluten free flours, safe breadcrumbs, and the right spices, you can recreate creamy sauces, thick soups, cozy casseroles, and even warm desserts. If you want allergy friendly comfort foods that feel nostalgic, head to my blog for the full guide.